Tommy, please wake up now. It is doctor day today. No, I do not want to go.
And I am going back to sleep right now.
Nice try. But that plan will not work today.
It is just a simple checkup, nothing scary at all.
A big doctor and a very big scary needle.
There is no big needle. You are completely safe.
There will be no pain. Everything will be fine.
Are you really sure about that today?
Yes, we promise you, everything is safe.
I really want to go back home right now.
It will be okay. Let's just go inside together. That door just scared me so much.
The door is only saying hello to you.
Welcome, Tommy. We are very happy to see you.
He saw me already. I want to hide again.
Do not worry. I am just a friendly monster.
Haha. Okay, you are a funny monster.
See? This place is safe and friendly for you.
Let's start our little adventure today.
Adventure? What kind of adventure is this?
Hello, Tommy. I am very happy to meet you today.
Hello. I feel a little scared right now. Hello, Doctor. I hope everything will be okay.
You are safe here, but we will take care of you. This is a magic listener to hear your heart.
Magic? Can it really hear inside my body?
Yes, listen carefully. You can hear it too.
Wow, I hear boom boom inside your chest. That's right, Tommy. It's my heart beating.
Now it is your turn to try this tool.
Okay, I will try to stay very still now.
Your heart sounds strong and very healthy.
I am a strong boy, just like a superhero.
Wow! We have a real superhero here today.
No needle, please. I do not want any needle. Ha!
It won't hurt, Tommy. It's just a little pinch.
There is no needle today. You are completely safe.
Just kidding. I wanted to see your reaction.
That was too scary for me. I almost cried.
Do not worry. Everything we do is gentle. Now it is time to check your temperature.
Okay, I will open my mouth slowly now. Oh, that sound surprised me suddenly. But I'm brave now.
That means the machine really likes you.
See? Everything is going very well today. Now I will check your ears carefully.
Okay, I will stay still and not move.
Your ears are clean and very healthy.
Yeah.
good news. There are no tiny monsters inside.
Haha! I am very happy to hear that.
Oh, my leg just moved by itself suddenly.
Oh no! Your leg is attacking me now!
Haha! That was actually very funny.
That means your body is working perfectly. You are doing such a great job today.
This thing feels tight around my arm now.
It is just like a small hug on your arm.
Okay. I think I can handle this now. Oh, it stopped already? That was very fast.
Yes, everything looks very good and normal.
Look at me. I am growing taller every day.
Yes, you are growing strong and healthy.
What is this machine doing under my feet?
It is checking your weight very quickly.
That was easy. Nothing scary at all.
Everything looks perfect. You are very healthy.
Huh. Really? That means I did very well today.
You did amazing. You are very brave.
I am so proud of you, my brave boy.
You faced your fear and did very well.
Tell me, are you still scared now?
No, I am not scared anymore at all.
Here is a special sticker for you.
Wow! This sticker looks so cool and shiny.
You earned it because you were very brave. I am so proud of you.
We are very proud of you today.
Thank you, Doctor. I feel so happy now.
Goodbye, Tommy. I hope to see you again.
Doctors are actually fun, not scary at all.
You were calm and very brave today.
I am not afraid of doctors anymore.
You learned something very important today. We are very proud of you, son.
Doctors help people feel better and safe. I really like going to the doctor now.
That makes me very happy to hear that.
Can we come back again another day?
Wow! Now you want to come again?
Yes, because I am not scared anymore.
You are growing up and becoming very brave.
Haha, this is a wonderful day together. This is the best day I have ever had.
We are always here to help and protect you.
You can face anything with courage now.
I am brave, and I believe in myself now.